What's the most memorable client that makes you love this business?
A little unfair because I have a lot. I have so many
you don't have to
clients,
give
but I
their
got to try to
name.
think about my favorite client of all times. I won't say names,
Right.
but I have a client that needed help. They were getting divorced. They had 3 small children, broke, in a really bad situation, and I was able to make it work for them to buy out the husband, stay in their home, keep the kids in the same school district. Probably my favorite story of all times, because there is no way that would have been done without me. And it was awesome. It was awesome to see. And that was a very, very, very long time ago. Probably my most memorable client was that one. And I ended up, she got remarried, and I did quite a few other deals for the family and stuff like that. And it's a great story. And the kids have graduated college and they're probably married now. But that was probably my most memorable, was just seeing how it changed her life. And that was it. I love going to my closings. My favorite part of this business right now is walking into the client's closing, because most of them don't know who I am. Unless they saw my picture on their phone or on Instagram or something like that, they don't know. And I walk into the room, and I bring the money. So everybody, but the reactions I get is priceless. They're, oh, you're Nick. Oh, like I get such a positive reaction at the closings. It's my favorite part of it.
That's awesome.